In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your IQIYI app. So if you are unable to play dramas, or you are unable to open the app, or it keeps on freezing, or it is too slow, then let me show you how you can solve this problem on this drama app. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to fix any problem with this app, you need to go ahead and access the app info page. This is just one of the 4 methods I'm going to show you to fix any problem. So if you go ahead and long press on the app, you should see this option called app info. If you tap on this will take you to the app info page. Now for this tutorial, I'm on an Android smartphone, so this applies to Android smartphones. Now from here, we want to go ahead and clear the app data, more especially cache data. So if I go ahead and tap on storage here, you can see a breakdown of data used by this app. Of important is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally stores to enhance user experience. But the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. Now to solve this problem, go ahead and tap on clear data here and then clear cache and okay. This will wipe out the cache data. Now restart your smartphone and then come back to the app, open it, and now your problem should have been solved. Should you still experience any challenge, again come back to this app info page, again go to clear data, and this time around tap on clear all data and then okay. And now you need to go ahead and log in afresh to use your app. However, should this not solve your problem, then you need to go ahead and find out if we have the latest version of your app or if you have an update. So one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version. So go to Play Store and find out if we have an update and then update it to the latest version. For my case, I already have the latest version. By updating your app to the latest version, you'll be able to fix any security issues and also functionality issues that might be related to this app. But should this not work, then it might be that your app contains bugs, and to solve this, you need to go ahead and uninstall your app and then install it afresh. So by following these methods, you should be able to fix any issue related to your IQIYI app and get everything running smoothly. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.